Okay, continuing with writing workshop, we're going to use 6th grade personal narratives as an example. Let's say you're getting ready to teach about personal narratives. The students are going to complete personal narratives. I would go into MobyMax and assign lessons related to personal narratives in the writing workshop. To do that, you're going to click Writing Workshop. If you look, it will show you what the students have already been working on, their current lesson. And from the snapshot, I'm going to click Lessons. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. Okay. And then I'm going to go to Assign. And you want this to your entire class. If you have shared classrooms, then you're going to do everybody. You're not going to do individual groups. So you're going to do entire class. 6th grade. Okay, if I want to see it by standard, I can click Show Standards. And then those are all the standards that it will address. So I'm going to look at lessons. And I want to go to personal narrative. I need to make sure that everything, it talks about revising, pre-writing, editing. This all looks great. So I'm going to go ahead and click right after personal narrative so that the students will be assigned all of the topics. Okay? And then I'm going to go up and I'm going to click Assign. Now, set student display option. It says, do you want to place the lesson in the student's assignments tab where the student can directly select the lesson themselves? No, you do not. You want them to go in order. You want them to begin with the pre-writing, the drafting, okay, the editing. So you want to say no. I always say no. Otherwise, in their assignments tab, teachers might give them an assignment on something and it just will fill their whole assignment tab and just constantly say they have an assignment. So I say no, and I'm going to continue. And now when your students log on and they click on Writing Workshop, they will automatically begin on how to write a personal narrative.